retail are doing, and we asked the question, okay, where's your trade, guys? And you know, you look into the retail space, and everybody looks at it and goes, yep, well, here's my trade here, and they have this moving average coming up here, and then they have this fast moving average coming up here. Not the most accurate drawing, and you can actually recognize, in fact, we'll try and take that little kink out of it so that we can make this a little bit more obvious, a little bit more realistic. And then when that trade takes place, everybody goes, wow, that was a good trade. And everybody looks at that and then suddenly realizes that that great crossover was a sell trade right at this price here, which may well have went on to make a lot of money, right? May well went on to have made a lot of money. So, but our average does this. Our average, it's not an average, of course, but our value should be doing this. And then if we've got a skew in this, what's going to happen is we're going to start seeing something that's maybe doing a little bit like this. And if we've got another skew in it, we might be doing something like this. And all of a sudden, what's happening is that instead of selling at this price here, we're actually selling into this area here, and we're selling into this area here. And the reason for that is because our averages don't lag. Our averages actually are at the front of the queue. Our averages, our stories, our value is real time. It's not lagging price action discovery, is it? Is there any value to lagging price action discovery? Yes, there is actually lots of value to knowing where the lagging price action discovery is because so many people use it. It can become quite an interesting trade in terms of understanding some of the technicals, which is what we'll be covering in class when we get started in classroom, guys. I'm just putting stops in at break even in that short bond. We just came off the 176s. Did anybody get 176? Sell side business, it's just traded 175.26, guys. It's made another 6 ticks on that sell reversal. I actually got 31. I actually managed to sell at 31, not 0. So my short trade is just there. Yep. So worst case scenario, a little bit of profit, stops at break even. What's the challenge? Well, the fact that the change took place as soon as the price dropped. You can see we've gone red, blue, purple into that phase. And obviously when we're looking at that, we've got to be now looking at it from that perspective of saying, okay, this might put a few buyers into this. So I am keen to just make sure I take a little bit of money off of this early move to the downside here. Don't hold on to all of it and just take some early cash out of this trade down into that 25, 26 area, just in case it fancies reversing straight back off this drop here. It's already starting to reverse straight back off that drop, guys. Okay, so that's why we said make sure you take some money just now. Classroom in 2 minutes, guys, 2 minutes.